let us see the steps. Okay, before that, let us see what is network troubleshooting. It is a systematic process of identifying, analyzing, and resolving network problems. It ensures that devices like computers, servers, and mobile phone can communicate properly. This is important because it helps to detect problems early before they affect users. It maintains smooth and uninterrupted connectivity. It resolves common issues like slow internet, no connections, or limited access. Without troubleshooting, small problems can become a bigger and effective productivity. Now, let us see the steps. So, first step here is to identify the problem. Before fixing anything, we need to understand what exactly is wrong. So we should gather information like, is internet connectivity slow? Is the device showing as connected to the network? Are other devices experiencing the same issue? And when did the problem first started occurring? By answering these questions, we can narrow down the possible causes and avoid wasting time. Step 2 is to check the physical connections. In this step, we can check all hardware components. Mainly, network problems are caused by simple physical issues. We should inspect cable and ensure the properly connected. We should check if the router and modem are powered on. Verifying and Wi-Fi is enabled on the device, or else we can restart the router and modem. By restarting devices often solve temporary issues because it refreshes the network and we can use however very smoothly. So the next step is network configuration check. After checking hardware, we move to software configuration. Here we check if the network settings are correct. Important things to verify, it includes IP addresses should be valid. This is the main thing. And subnet mask and default gateway should be correct. Then verify DNS servers are configured correctly. So these are these useful commands lines. These are the commands. It is very useful. ipconfig is to check IP details. Then ping to test connectivity. And now the step 4 is to test and resolve. In this step, we try different solution and test the network again. Some common solutions include restarting the system, updating the networks, replacing faulty cables or devices. Sometimes we need to try multiple solutions before the issue is fully resolved. So as you can see here, systems restarts, update drivers, and replace hardware. To conclude, network troubleshooting is very important. By following this step-by-step approach, we can solve problems faster, reduce the downtime, and improve overall network performance. Thank you.